So this is going to be a step-by-step guide on how to plug and connect your bot on your MT4 terminal or MT5. But for Algo EA Gold, Algo EA Gold is for MT4, right? So on your VPS, you have these two, you have this MetaTrader 4 and you also have MetaTrader 5. Now, we only have business with what? MetaTrader 4, right? So you open MetaTrader 4, right? So you don't worry, let me just cancel all of this. It's because I already have an account that was installed on this. So don't worry, you will not see something like this on your account. It will ask you to log in, right? So the first thing you do is to log in your broker, right? So you click on login, you look for your broker, either Xness or Deriv. You search for it, make sure you are inputting the right server, right? So you use the right login and the password. It's just like you're logging into MT4 terminal on your Android or iPhone, right? So after logging in, you will see your balance right here. You see your equity right here, right? So after you have done this, you're already doing well. That's the first phase, right? So after doing this, what you do is after you can see your balance, right? You minimize the screen, right? So come back to uh these files. Now these two files, you already have access to them. So what you do is you copy it from your main desktop, right? And you paste it on your VPS, right? You paste the bot itself, then you paste the bot set file too, right? So let them just be like this, right? So let's copy the bot file first. So I've already copied it, Control C. Now let's open the MT4 terminal again. So after copying, what you do is you come to under file, right? Open data folder, right? So after clicking open data folder, come to MQL4, MQL4, right? So open expert. You can see that I already have it installed here. So just let me delete it and reinstall it, right? So let me delete it. So Control V. Now I have pasted the bot here. As you can see, the bot is right here, right? So you cancel it, right? I've already cancelled it. So what you do next, you do the same thing again, but with the set file. You know I copied this bot initially. Now I want to copy the set file. You do Control C again. Now come to the terminal, go to file again, click on open data folder, right? So go to MQF4, but instead of going to expert, we are going to presets because this is a preset file. So because I already have installed preset files already, let me delete them. So I'm going to paste what we copied, right? As you can see the Algo EA special set. So after doing this, you're already at phase 3, right? So after you've done all of this, you make sure that you pin this you pin it on the taskbar. You pin the MetaTrader 4 on the taskbar so that it will be easy for it to open again, right? So in order for us to see the bot, right, we have to close the MT4 terminal, right, then open it again. So now we are open it again. You can see that the bot, you always see the bot under expert advisor. The full meaning of EA is expert advisor, so you see the bot under expert advisor. So now how do we proceed? Come under this symbol. After logging in your broker, you see all the symbols, all the currency pairs. Now this bot is built mainly for gold. Algo EA Gold is built mainly for gold, right? So what you do is you right click it. This is gold, right? I'm already on gold. As you can see, you click it, right? Right click, then you click on chat window. Now you can see that it has loaded a new chat window. So the next thing you do is to go to the time frame here, switch to 5 minutes time frame, right? So now what we are going to do is you're going to click on the bot right here. This is the bot, right? So you are going to drag it to the chart, right? So you can see that I have clicked on the bot, so you drag it to the chart, right? So when you drag it to the chart, this will be your interface. This will be your direct interface. When you drag it to the chart, you are going to see it Algo EA Gold 4.0, right? So you click on common, make sure you allow DLN import, make sure you allow import of external expert, and make sure you allow live trading. It is very important, right? So the next thing I do is you come to input. Now This is where you load the special file that I sent to you, that we copied and pasted under presets. As you can see, it is already here. So you click on it, you open it, now it is already saved. So what do? You are good to go. Cross check again, make sure you have allowed DLL imports, you allow import of external experts, then you click on what? OK. Now, as you can see, the bot is live, but you can see that it has not started trading. So what you have to do is you click on this auto trading, make sure it shows the green icon. So when you click on it, you see that the bot will start taking trades automatically. So installing this bot is very easy and very precise. So if you have questions, or you have if you have inquiries, so just send me a DM and I'll point you and I'll guide you. So I hope this explains how to install the bot on your VPS.